Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to disable notifications for joined groups on the Facebook app for PC, especially with the new update. If you're tired of constant alerts popping up from every group you join, don't worry, this simple walkthrough will help you regain some peace and quiet when using Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This opens up a new section where you can manage different parts of your Facebook experience. Now, click on Settings. Here's where most of your account controls live, including privacy, preferences, and notifications. Next, find and click on Notifications. This is where Facebook keeps all the different types of alerts you can receive for comments, tags, birthdays, marketplace updates, and more. It might look a little different due to the new update, but the options should still be easy to find and navigate. Once inside the notification section, scroll down and look for tags. Under tags, you'll see an option called Joined Groups. This is where Facebook usually sends you alerts whenever you join or get tagged in a group. To stop receiving those notifications, simply turn off or disable the toggle next to Joined Groups. And that's it. You've just disabled notifications for joined groups on Facebook. From now on, you won't get unnecessary alerts every time you join a new group, leaving your notifications cleaner and your Facebook experience much calmer. Take a few moments to explore the rest of the notification settings while you're there. You might find a few more tweaks that make your Facebook feed feel even more personal and distraction-free.